It's everywhere around you. You're made up of it. You need it every day. You're probably thinking of ice cream, but no. We're talking about nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up 78% of the Earth's atmosphere and is the seventh most abundant element in the universe. Nitrogen is busy, moving and making new molecules, with hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and other atoms through the process of the nitrogen cycle. This cycle is a series of chemical reactions that move nitrogen molecules through air, water, soil, and living things that use nitrogen for life processes and then release it back to the air. Let's explore the details. The most common form of nitrogen in air is dinitrogen gas, which is naturally fixed by lightning and bacteria, or synthetically fixed using the Haber-Bosch process to form ammonia gas and dissolved ammonium. Haber-Bosch is an industrial method used to make nitrogen fertilizers. Ammonia and ammonium are then oxidized by microbes to hydroxylamine, nitrous oxide, nitrite, and nitrate in a series of reversible processes. Dinitrogen can also be directly fixed to nitrate by lightning and some microbes. Additionally, microbes can convert nitrite and ammonia to nitric oxide, then nitrous oxide, which sunlight further reduces back to dinitrogen. Nitric oxide can also react with ozone to form nitrogen dioxide, then with another ozone to form nitric acid. Many of these nitrogen cycle processes are reversible and often happen together. They occur in water, soils, and air, as well as living cells and organisms. For example, nitric oxide reacts with hemoglobin in red blood cells to form nitrate. Bacteria that live in our salivary glands can then convert nitrate to nitrite, which is further reduced to nitric oxide in blood vessels and tissues. This amazing cycle regulates blood pressure, hormone release from the brain, and other essential functions. When taken up by plants, algae, or bacteria, the nitrogen in ammonia, ammonium, nitrite, and nitrate can assimilate into organic molecules like chlorophyll, DNA, proteins, and other organic compounds needed for life. In turn, people and animals obtain nitrogen by eating plants or by eating other animals that eat plants. All organisms use nitrogen to make the molecules needed to develop, grow, and reproduce. When living things die and decay, the organic nitrogen is converted back to ammonium, which is then available to the rest of the nitrogen cycle. Whether nitrogen moves through the cycle quickly or accumulates in a particular form depends on conditions like temperature, oxygen content, and the activity of the microbes. An ancient oak tree can store nitrogen in itself for decades or release it back to the nitrogen cycle by dropping its leaves.